Hello. Today we're going to be installing R and RStudio on Windows. So it's pretty simple, but in this tutorial we'll just install R and RStudio, and the next tutorial will be going over how to install R packages. So the first thing we do is click on this link where we'll download R. Click on Download R for Windows, go to Base, and then download R, whatever version just happens to be there. So in the future, if there's, version 3.3.3 or, whatever, just download it. It's safe. I should also mention that I have step-by-step instructions on how to do this down below, and I will pause the video until this is done downloading. So now that we're done downloading R, the next thing we have to do is install it. So just open it up. Chances are it's in your download folder or wherever you downloaded it. So yes, English, and then default settings are usually enough. Okay, and then you just wait for it to install. This usually can take a bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video again. Hello, R has finished its installation, and now we have to download RStudio Desktop for Windows. So the first thing we do is go to the official RStudio website, and we scroll down, and we're going to download RStudio Desktop. Okay? And this is compatible for Windows 7, 8, and 10. So I'm going to click this link over here, and this is going to download pretty quickly because it's only 82 megabytes roughly. If you see a slightly different version here, chances are you're just in the future, and don't worry about it. So I should mention that in the next video, we're going to go over like how to install packages. Basically, it's install packages and just setting a command mirror if you have to. So we're going to open up this executable that we downloaded. You might get a message like this, you might not. And we're just going to do basic installation options. So this is going to extract and install pretty quickly. I should mention that after this installation, we're going to check that it actually works. And a couple videos from now, we're going to go over some basic R syntax. And maybe something more complicated, like using GitHub API or Twitter API or just basic stat stuff, really. So now that RStudio is finished installing, let's open it up and make sure it's actually installed. So let's just see if R happens to work. Let's see if I even know R syntax. And there we go. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please let me know if you have questions. I'm more than happy to help out. Thank you. Bye.